Come on.
Here we go. Ready, Mama? Here we go.
Go. All right.
He did it. He did it. Went all the way.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to do it again. It's a long ways.
One more time.
It's
All right,
a
ready?
long ways.
Go.
Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Swim, boy. Swim, boy. Swim, boy. His eyes look pretty big. Huh? You going back? All right, ready? Go back to your mama. Go hard now. Kick as hard as you can. Yeah, kick hard. I'll push you.
Go push you.
Ready?
All right. Push. You're okay. Got to keep that head up above water.
Keep your head up.
Okay, breath.
Take a break. Ready,
Ready?
Grandma?
Ready.
Do
Ready?
it.
All
Okay,
right.
here we go. Come on, boy. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
All right.
He did it. He did it. He did it. Way to go, buddy. Okay, go over to Mama. Ready?
What? You're okay.
See, that's what it's going to take for him to get scared a couple times to know that he's got to have his floaties on.
What?
When he gets scared a
Oh,
couple
yeah.
times like that,
Aiden,
after
you've
he
got
got, when
to
you just let him go
really
under a
hard
couple
to keep your
times.
face under, out of the water, okay?
Yeah, because did you see him? He was like scared there for a few.
Okay. All right, you're right here. Paddle. I want you to paddle really hard. I know. Paddle. I want you to paddle with me holding you. Paddle. Hard. Hard. Hands. Hands. Hands.
All right, you coming over here? You gonna swim over here? Come on, all the way to
Gotta
Grandpa.
paddle hard.
Gotta go hard.
Hard.
Kick as hard as you can. Over your head.
Hard.
Come on, boy.
Hard.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You did it. You did it. You're getting scared now.
That's a good thing.
Okay, put your head underwater.
Okay, dog paddle. Dog paddle. Dog paddle.
Let him swim underwater. He can do that better.
Underwater. Underwater.